Yo, what's up, producers? It's your boy Mikasa here. I hope you're doing great. In this video, I'm about to show you how to make some boom bap beats, how to make that old school Y beat, and stuff like that. So let's get started. And there goes the old beat. So I'm here in FL Studio as always, and I just loaded some of sounds just to not waste time while loading some VSTs and stuff like that. I got already my scale here that's gonna help me like build my notes. That's why I always suggest you to do if you are struggling with music theory and stuff like that. But let's get started. So I got this Nexus and one more Nexus here, and I think I'm going to use this piano for the start. Okay, maybe let's just play with some reverb here. Not too much. Okay, perfect. And maybe we can start with something like a Dr. Dre or something like that. So let's see, maybe it's something like this. Maybe something this vibe. So if like I'm making, you can make something like this. You don't have to make like a chorus like this. You can just play with time, and you can you will get a much better result. Of course, it depends what you are making music for and stuff like that. So maybe here. Okay, we can. So these chords sounds fire, and I'm just now I'm about just to repeat them. But first of all, we need to adjust BPM. So let's go maybe 90, 88, 87, 86, so somewhere around this. Okay, okay, this is fire. Okay, we can use this as a melody. So just this came up really fire. And what you can do, just adjust with the time here, like this. And maybe I can add some of the bass notes. So I got E here. I can maybe put E3 like this. Maybe even more down. Okay, perfect. So I'm now about to use EQ just to cut that bass a little bit. Okay, perfect. For the effects, I'm going to use RC20 just to get that noise. I mean, you can use another one, but I like this RC20. So I'm about to turn off some of these and make some noise here. Something like this. Okay, we can use this. Okay, let me just extend this loop. And I have another Nexus, and I'm about to maybe use some of the orchestra or something like that. Stars, let's see. Okay, maybe you can use something like this. Let's see what we can add. Okay, since we got delay here, maybe I can just add some counter notes. Just like this. Let's extend everything. Okay. Okay, this came out really fire. This melody is really simple. Now we can add like more sounds like strings or something like that. But this time we want to keep it really simple, just to see how this process is going on, how to make another sounds. This loop, this melody we are going to use. and let's add some drums. So I got these, I found it like later when I was starting making music. These some of Boom Bap drum kits, so let's use them. Then I can do this. Okay, this kick pattern sounds good for me, and I'm about to add snare. I like this snare, but I'm going to layer it. Let's turn off this. Okay, let's add more snares here. Okay, let's see what we got here. Okay, this one sounds good. I'm about to copy kick pattern, just like this. Okay, let's just send it like this, so we have that template. And let's start with another sounds like hats, open hats, bass, and stuff like that. Okay, this hat sounds fire. So now for the loop, we can add like a variations, something like this. Something like this. But I want to keep it really simple like this, and maybe I want to just to add some reverb. Got this bass. Okay, sounds fire, but as we can see, our bass is E, and we're about to go first on an envelope, make like this, so whenever I hold the key, my note will play, and for this you have tutorial on the channel when I was making 808 slides and stuff like that, and I explained how this envelope works, so make sure you check it out if you don't know. And so it's E, perfect, cut itself, they won't clash. And maybe let's start with the E first. Let's see. Sounds fire. Maybe we can put them maybe on the C. It's gonna be too much. E is perfect. And maybe we can add some open hats, percussions. Okay, this sounds fire. Sounds fire. So now I'm about to add some just random sounds. Let's see what we can add. This sounds fire. maybe let's put it at the beginning. Let's reverse it. Okay, not bad. Let's maybe pitch it down. Okay, not bad. Got all these heads, as I can see. Want to find more like a triangles or something like that. This can also work. Maybe I can do this. Let's extend like, and maybe I can put all the way like this. So let's see how this will sound. So okay, this is not really fire. Okay, this came out really fire, so let's split by channel and make just a little structure for this beat. So let's start with the melody, or maybe we can start with the kick and snare only. Just like this. And with all melodies, and after that, I'm about just to choose all sounds here. Perfect. So let's hear. There goes the whole beat. This is basically it. So this is like a little template for your beats. It's really simple. Came out really fire. Now we can add more sounds if you want to make this beat more better. But this is just a simple beat for the beginners. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye.